Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doug YYZ. I make personal finance videos for Canadians here on YouTube and review videos. Side note, I am not an expert and I don't claim to be in investing. I started investing at the beginning of the pandemic in 2020. I had a lot of free time on my hands. It seemed like a lot of people were getting into this, so I thought I'll start doing this and I'll start making videos and share how it's going for me. So if that interests you, hit subscribe. Let's look at my portfolio, how it's doing 4 months into the year. And that's about how long ago I made my last update. Sorry about that. Back then in January, I was around 31,700. Now my balance is 37,900. Things have gone down recently. Wealthsimple Trade shows on the graph there that in the last 3 months, I'm down -1%. Not so bad. I feel like a lot of people are in a similar situation and things really have gone back up today. So we're kind of making that recovery and hopefully we'll be in the positives again soon. This year, I've contributed quite a bit more to my tax-free savings account compared to last year. Last year, if you know, I was in between jobs. I was doing some training. So there were a few months last year that I wasn't getting paid. So I didn't have extra income to contribute to the tax-free savings account. So I only contributed $2,000 last year, which made it look like I was doing really well. My portfolio for all time was up 52%. Now we're looking at 42%. Definitely something to do with that. So far in 2022, I've contributed $5,900, and that's thanks to my tax return, a little settlement thing at work, and my salary has gone up since I changed careers. Looking at the dividends, which is my strategy, if I have a strategy, I'm focused more on dividends than growth. And in the month of April, I made $157.46. The majority of that thanks to Scotiabank, which paid out their dividend, and I made $74 from Scotiabank. Another one at the beginning of the month was TELUS. I think I only made $9 because I don't have that much of TELUS. Since stocks have been going down across the board, in April, I scooped up a lot of extra stocks because I thought these are going to be bargains for me right now. And then even after I bought them, they went down a little bit. And that's what I worry about, that they're going to go down even further and I overpaid for them. But whatever, you got to keep buying. You can't really try to time the market. That's what everyone says, right? Some of those ones that I bought 1 share of Shopify. Because if you remember, I think at its peak, it was above $2,000. Now it's below $600. So that seems like a pretty good deal. And I have faith that that's going to go back up. Shopify is still a huge thing in online shopping. XUS is an ETF. I picked up a couple more shares of that because it tracks the S&P 500. It's pretty stable, following the market. Innovalis, TNT, and Smart Centers, those are all real estate investment trusts. So they pay distributions every month. So I bought up a bunch of those. Scotiabank, BMO, and Bell. Bell is a new one for me. I didn't own any of that before, and something that kind of drew me to that was historically they've been increasing their dividend every year. Enbridge is another one. So those are 2 stocks that I want to put money into in the coming months. Bell in Canada really only has one competitor, Rogers. Bell does a lot of things. They produce content and they distribute it. So they own the whole chain from the production to the consumer. Their only competitor is like Rogers in Canada. Enbridge is a very familiar name in Canada. They deliver natural gas to homes and businesses, and they do a lot of other things, harnessing natural resources, and they're even expanding into things like renewable energy. And looking what's going on in Eastern Europe, I think Enbridge in Canada has a bigger role to play in providing and exporting energy, clean energy, to the rest of the world. So I have faith that Enbridge is gonna really grow, but also that's another one where they pay a nice dividend and it increases every year. So that's it for this update. Thanks for watching and subscribing. If you want to start investing and you haven't yet, or you're using a platform and you're looking to change, Wealthsimple Trade, it's free trades. I enjoy using it. The app on the phone is great. I'm checking it just a few times throughout the day, and I do my trades mostly on the app. If you sign up using my link here in the description, we'll both get a free stock. And just a quick thank you to everyone who has used my link in the past. I really appreciate it. You're helping me get closer to my goals for the year. Thanks. If there's something you'd like to see or something you'd like me to go over in a future video, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.